Alright, there you go guys. Here we are at the job at Red Hill. We came in to move a couple of styes. That stye there was starting to have a bit of a problem down here. So we built one next to it. And now we're pulling that one down. Oop, the other way of the Bobcat. We've got it half down, brakes inside. Okay, chuck them over, brake. Chuck it right the other way. Yeehaw! Send them, baby. There's Pedo watering down the dirt. Big excavation. They've done all this already in the last few weeks. Got all this done. All those to go in the coals yet. And Frankie's badly getting those blocks out of the way. We've got the excavator's got to dig this down to that level down there, so we can build the sty back again. Look out, Pino, he's going to run you over. Alright. There's a bit of an excavation. It's about easy 3 feet. Easy 3 foot's got to come out of that. So we've got to wait around while he digs that out. And then we put the sty back again. That'll keep us busy for a little while. So while we're at it, if you wouldn't mind guys, we're trying to build this channel, we really are. I'm working hard at it this year. We need you to hit that like button. You know the like button that's just down there? And the subscribe button. Hit that thing. Just smash that subscribe button. We need to get the subscribers up so I can monetize this channel. Got to be able to pay for a new camera. Using my phone all the time is not a good idea. Alright. Okay. We're ready for excavating. Alright. Well, we'll leave this one there and we'll go talk to the excavator operator and see if we can get him to excavate. We'll take a video of that. And we've got water dripping down off the roof. Big extension on this. There's the house at the front, and then there's another big building going all the way to the back. Where the Bobcat's parked there is a pool. The pool at the back. And it's 3 stories high here. So it's a big building when it's finished. Alright. Okay. We'll catch you guys in a minute. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye.